Hi y'all, it's Brooke,
Bailey, and Abby
from Large Family Homestead, and today we're going to be making homemade Hot Pockets to go in our freezer. We're going to be making double what we usually would, one for us, and we're going to give another to a friend who's soon going to have a baby. So come along as me, Bailey, Mom, and Abby do some freezer cooking.
Alright, so we use freshly milled wheat berries, and to make 8 of these, you're going to want 4 cups of flour. Now we're making a much larger batch, so it's not going to be 4 cups of flour in our recipe, but for you to make 8, you want 4 cups of flour. You're also going to add into that 1.5 teaspoons of salt and 1.5 tablespoons of yeast. You would also add, after that's mixed up, you're going to add in 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 1.5 cups of warm water. You want to mix it up really good. We'll link the recipe in the description below too, so that you can print it off, the recipe that we use. So when I'm combining ingredients, I stick everything in the mixer and let it work for me. But Bailey has a preference to hand mix things. I'm not sure why. So that's why we're watching her hand mix all the dough. Once everything's mixed well, you want to put your dough in a greased bowl, cover it and let it rise. It should be about double the size. Then we have our risen dough here, and we set up a little assembly line to put in our sauce and our toppings. So you roll it out into a small circle, put your sauce, your toppings on, you close it over and pinch it shut so it doesn't leak through. You can put anything that you want into this. We just chose to keep it plain since we're making them for somebody else, and just to keep things easy, we kept ours plain too, but we've added other things to them over time. And then once they're all on your cookie sheet, you're going to bake them at 450 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. All right, we have 2 volunteers here. Joshua and Sammy are gonna rip that bad boy in half and let's test it out. Careful, it might be hot inside. Oh, cheesy goodness. Who's?
Okay, take a big bite.
Big bite. It's good though, right? Mm-hmm. Is it yummy? Mm-hmm. Maybe dip in some pizza sauce. That'd be good.
Parmesan. It needs. All right, and here we have 4 packaged bags of homemade Hot Pockets.
Hot Pockets.
That was Mom. 2 bags with instructions for our friends. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for new videos. Make sure you turn your notification bell on and leave a comment and let us know what freezer cooking you guys have been doing lately. See y'all soon. Bye.